Mic is on. Hey, this is my Uncle Hags. This is where it all come together. I mean, this is where it all developed. It's where it's all, you know.
Oh, shit. Just piece of shit behind the back here. Oh, my God. I can't believe you. What the hell you doing with the damn shit there, Clippy?
I got down to the heads.
I think you did. Then what?
Well, I put me a set of Edelbrocks on there.
God damn, kid, did you learn anything in high school?
What?
Dang. I can't believe the damn thing you doing. What the hell? Listen, first off, you don't go changing out shit. Like, look at all those parts you got on the wall over there. Think that you all hide not placing with all kinds of Chinese in.
That's not what I'm doing.
You thought some of that damn cock can shit, did you? God damn piece of shit. Don't even do that.
Huh? All right.
Just use the damn thing that came out there, put back in there. Just clean up, put back in there. That's all you gotta do.
I'm not so sure about that. What?
Put a little damn Mr. Oil on that shit. Slather it all up real good. Stick that can shit back in that pussy there. And then you put those damn lifters in there like they you dumped that car. Then you go goddamn thing, go.
Actually, I changing out the lifters.
Changing it to this.
Put a new camshaft in there.
God dang it, you got perfect good can shit over there on the yonder.
It's got a lobe missing.
You never heard of running the can without a load? There's no thing. You gotta put some lube on the damn thing. Juggle that shit bitch up there, stick it back in there, and take those lifters.
I think you're missing my point.
God damn it. Who's the man behind the name of this shop?
You are.
Don't you think I've been there and got think too?
I think you have been. Yes.
Shh. Then you got that little pussy can tiny cutter, 3-piece billet, aluminum billet cut. What the hell? Just put a little steel plate over that goddamn thing, nail it down, be done with that dumb shit. Chinese in there, all of this.
All right, I think that's enough.
Oh, you little pussy. I knew you got that pussy out on me. You didn't take the glue, you get crazy. I can't even understand a word you're saying, all right? Shut.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hey, it's all right.
Thanks, Uncle. You know I love you, man.
Yeah, I love you too.